How to apply student loan in USA. To apply for a federal student loan in the USA, you'll first need to complete and submit a free application for federal student aid. To do so, open up a preferred web browser. In the URL box, type in www.usa.gov/financial-aid and press enter. Once you end up in this page, you can simply click on this free application for FAFSA option, and once you give it a click on begin the FAFSA application. You'll need to now submit a free application for FAFSA. Click on the start here button. If you are a returning user, you can click the login button. Since we're just getting started, let's click on the start here button. It'll then bring you up this form. Go ahead and select the correct information and complete the FAFSA form. Go ahead and enter all of the necessary details such as the first name, last name, date of birth, social security number, and so on, and click on the continue button at the bottom. After finishing up the form completion, the FAFSA will calculate your expected family contribution and send you your financial aid option to the schools you apply to. That is the way how you can easily apply for a student loan in the USA. If the video was helpful to you, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll be back with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.